Hi everybody and welcome to this video. In this series, we will be having a look at probability. And the first thing that we're going to look at is what are outcomes and events. Now over here, we have a little bit of an example. It's a die. When you roll a die, you could either get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. And those 1 to 6 are the outcomes. It's all the possibilities, which in this case is all outcomes of a die. Something like 0 or 8 will not be an outcome of a 6-sided die, as it only has these as possible outcomes. And then the next thing that we're going to define is an event. So an event is a particular outcome of interest. So let us say, for example, we are interested in the even numbers on a die. Then the event would consist of 2, 4, and 6 because they are the even outcomes of a die. So let us have a look at some examples. So we have to state the outcomes of the following cases. So the first one is tossing a coin. Once you toss a coin, what are your possible outcomes? You could either get heads, if it's your standard coin, or you could get tails. So that's the outcomes of a coin. Now, the next one has the results of a soccer match. So a soccer match, for those of you who are familiar with soccer, you could either win the game if your score is higher than your opponent, you could lose the game if your score is lower than your opponent's, or there could also be a draw. And a draw is when the score would be the same. So those are the outcomes of a soccer match. Let's think of the results of a COVID-19 test. So what could happen in a test is you could either test positive or you could test negative. So those are the outcomes of a test. Okay, so I hope that you've understood these two concepts of outcomes and events. Please watch our other video for more videos on probability. Thank you for watching. Bye.